You guys, I don't think I filmed a YouTube video in maybe a year or 2 or 3. We've heard you. I know you guys are missing the tutorials and just YouTube content in general. We're coming back to YouTube, filming YouTube videos. Today, I'm doing the magnet tutorial. I think this is the #1 requested video. Can you show me how to use your magnets? And I get it, it's like a novel product. We didn't grow up using magnets, so let's get into it. We launched our No-Snag Magnets back in January of 2020. Yeah, that seems like 10 years ago. We launched them two and a half years ago, more. No, that was a year and 9 months ago. We launched them almost 2 years ago. So much has happened since then. We've expanded the color range. We have pave magnets, it's amazing. You can use our magnets on any of our fabrics: jersey, woven, chiffon, satin, heritage, certainly silks. Please do not poke holes in your silks, please. The 3 most popular ways that people use our magnets is underneath the chin, first and foremost, on the side when you want a little side drape, and then in the back to secure the strands back there. So the best and I think the most popular way that people wear our magnets is under your chin. I have 4 layers of fabric because it's folded in. This will hold it and it will not move around. So that just speaks to the strength. Okay, and so then what you're gonna do is, again, slide it, don't pull them apart, slide them. And you're just gonna take one side and then snap the other one in place. Now after I do that, typically because I don't wanna pinch my chin, so then I'll kind of slide it up a little to make sure that it's exactly where I want it. You don't want it too close to the edge of the fabric because it will they're so strong that the magnets are gonna wanna just like move towards each other and get rid of the fabric. Sometimes I really like the look of like the over the shoulder, but it's hard to keep it that way, right? You take it and put it underneath, and I'm doing it under my sweater, which again will kind of speak to like the strength. See how this is like not moving and it's like perfectly draped? It's amazing. At the very least, the entire strand will come falling because the magnet is there. Of course, what you can also do is, if you want, when you are using the magnet to secure the strands in the back, make sure you're not taking a fistful of fabric and then trying to put the magnet over that. You're not gonna have great results that way. You want to, again, make sure you have 4, 6, 8 at most layers of fabric that are laid flat, and then place the magnet on top of that so that it stays in place all day. So if I'm wearing my square, I have it in the front, and then I would secure it in the back just like that, so I don't have to use a safety pin in the back, and then I tuck it in and I'm on my merry way. Magnets are very easy to lose. Because they're so strong, they just get attracted to so many things. And the most hilarious of places that you guys have found your magnets make me laugh every time. I get photos from you guys of the magnets like under a car door, or like, hidden underneath like the kitchen sink. It's crazy where these end up. So I highly recommend put it back on the little card and store them away in your pouch, also because you don't want them to get scratched up. It is a really beautiful polished metal, so you want to keep them looking as new and beautiful as possible. And then keep this somewhere away from your children because you don't want your kids playing with these. So storage is also very key. So let me know in the comments below if you have our magnets. What else do you use them for outside your hijabs? I want to know. I love seeing that stuff. It's actually so interesting and makes my day. Also, as always, let me know what other videos you guys want to see, and we'll see you next time, inshallah. Take care, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.